Hello, welcome to Lemaster Family Kitchen Spices. Today we're going to make some chicken marsala. Start by butterflying your chicken breasts. Preheat an 11-inch skillet over medium-high heat. Then add a tablespoon of butter and a tablespoon of olive oil. Bring that up to heat. Go ahead and throw the chicken breasts in there. We can only fit 3 in this 12-inch skillet. Little backyard blend. Flip them. A little more backyard blend. Turn them a couple more times so they're nice and golden brown. Don't need to be completely cooked through. We've got another chicken breast to add. Okay, next we're going to do 1 large onion and about 2 cups of chopped mushrooms. Want to deglaze the pan with those a little bit. Once your onions and mushrooms start to soften, we're going to add a tablespoon of flour. A little more backyard blend, and some white wine, about a cup. Now we're gonna get all the bits off the bottom with a wooden spoon, and then add the chicken back in, along with a little bit of water or chicken stock if you have it. You want to make sure the chicken breasts are submerged as you start to bring this to a boil. Just cover it and bring the heat to low, and give it about 10 minutes. And then check it. Once the sauce is thickened down, give it a taste. I'm gonna add some salt and pepper. Taste again. There it is. All right, now we're gonna drop our pasta. Let's go ahead and pull the chicken out once the sauce is ready and the pasta is ready. Just throw the pasta in the sauce. A little pasta water. Then stir it all up. And toss that pasta, not breaking it up. Now let's plate. Put the pasta in the bowl with the chicken on top. I diced a little tomato. Put on top. Jet approved. Thanks so much for watching today, and follow us and like all the stuff. Thanks so much.